Hey, neighbor. Sounds like you still haven't fixed that door, huh?
Definitely on my to-do list. Any day now. Ow!
Sounds like it's still smacking you in the foot, too, huh? Yeah, what a shame.
Stevie, don't get angry. Just make it right.
Are you another neighbor coming to complain?
Nope, I'm Mr. Wright, and I'm here to show you how to fix all the things that are wrong with your door closer. It'll just take a few minutes.
About time.
First, to control how fast or slow your door closes, you want to adjust the tension on the closer. Clockwise for slower, counterclockwise for faster. Beautiful. And if you prefer a smoother, quieter closing action, just remove the short connecting pin and reposition it in the rear hole of the jam bracket. Easy peasy. I wonder what Mr. Cranky Pants is going to start whining about now.
Hey, I can still hear you. Hello?
Wright products for the right job. For detailed step-by-step instructions, click the link below.